ATC Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, after being spoiled by 70-degree temperatures today, Mother Nature pulling the carpet out on that. And we're going to be in the mid-40s with wind chills in the upper 30s tomorrow morning. So back to winter mode, and it stays in the upper 40s to lower 50s most of the day tomorrow. Gradual warm up this weekend, and in between, we do expect more rain to develop late Saturday. Latest on that coming up in just a bit. First off, though, let's take a look. Here's our cold front. You can kind of see it shaping up on the radar imagery, bisecting pretty much the Bayou State, just south of Alexandria, so not quite bisecting, but cutting us in a third at the very least. As we take a look at the regional Dopplers, we do see scattered showers across southern portions of Beauregard Parish into northern Calcasieu Parish. A couple of little heavy downpours showing up here, and that continues to right near the Kinder area, and then farther to the east, we're seeing some nice little downpours, one moving through Eunice as we speak, another one a little bit farther to the east, right near the Lawtell area just to the west, and over by Ville Platte and Pine Prairie. And then more shower activity northern portions of St. Landry Parish, and then a few more showers as you go farther to the east as well. But most of us, the rest of us, are pretty quiet for right now and nice and mild until about midnight or so. We'll have the showers in Lafayette around midnight, and then we'll have the cooler air that follows. Temperatures today starting out in the 50s, got up to the lower 70s this afternoon, shortly after 2 o'clock this afternoon. Here's that front. It's been making good headway and is knocking on the door in northern portions of Acadiana as we speak. And as we look at the predictive radar, we do see those showers moving on through between about 11:30 and midnight for Lafayette. Wind shifting in Lafayette right around midnight, and you watch this factor right here. Pretty good gusts with this front. This front's got a little punch to it. Not much rain, about 13/100ths of an inch here in Lafayette. In most spots, we'll see that much. And then getting down along the coast by 2 o'clock in the morning. Few spotty showers behind this, and I think we see lingering clouds most of the day tomorrow, and the predictive radar is picking up on that as well. Now, as we take a look at your future cast, it's more optimistic on little sunshine, but I would not buy that by any stretch of the imagination. I think the clouds stay locked in, maybe a little sun up toward Alexandria tomorrow. Then the clouds coming back in for sure, even if they do try to thin out tomorrow afternoon as we go into Saturday. And once again, the RPM model really underestimating the rainfall. I think by 6 o'clock Saturday evening, we'll be in the 50 to 60% range on your rain chances, and we'll show you the European model in just a bit. 10 o'clock starting to green up a little bit, but the last run was a lot greener. So again, the model having a hard time getting a grip on the weather situation. Then Sunday night, that'll be the wettest part, and then we'll start to clear out as we get into Sunday. And notice the model going for 70 degrees Sunday afternoon. That's if the sun comes out, and I think it will late in the day. So here we have the European model bringing in the rainfall earlier, starting Saturday afternoon and continuing into Saturday evening, and then exiting the area by early Sunday. Temperatures mid to upper 60s on the European model for Sunday afternoon. Then another wet weather system as we go into Tuesday, and then as we go into the latter part of the week and get closer to the Mardi Gras weekend, Friday, Saturday looking pretty good for right now. We'll have to wait and see on Sunday, Monday. That's still kind of far down the road on that model, so we'll have to wait and see. As for rainfall, the European model unimpressed by rain locally, quarter inch or less, but I think we're going to see more, close to an inch up toward Alexandria. The GFS model, I think, actually has a better handle on things, somewhere between a half an inch and an inch or two of rain possible. You get into this purple, that translates to 2 inches of rain, so I would bet, just like every winter weather system this year, it's beaten model expectations, and I think this one will this weekend as well. It won't be nearly as wet, though, as it was last weekend. So here we go. Temperatures in the morning, mid-40s, upper 30s to lower 40s, northern portions of Acadiana, and then we don't get out of the lower 50s tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow night, a little bit chillier. Could see temperatures upper 30s to lower 40s, and then Saturday, mostly 50s as the parade starts to roll as we get into Saturday evening. So scattered Scattered showers, 50-50 opportunity on that over the next several hours. 45 your low. 53 the highest will go tomorrow. Rain chances early in the day, but don't think we're going to see that. Clouds may thin late, but don't bet on that. And that's the rain chances. I'm going to stick with that 60% for Saturday, 80% as we go into Saturday night. Another wet weather system Tuesday into Wednesday. Maybe a little bit more rain with that system, but no flooding. And toward the end of that 10-day forecast, the Mardi Gras beads are on now. So we're in that Mardi Gras